Buenos días, estudiantes. Hoy es el 8 de junio. ¿Cómo están? Hoy es lunes. Es la última semana del año escolar. It's the last week of school. So I don't have much in here because many of you are working furiously on your children's books. Again, if you need additional help from me, please reach out. I've really enjoyed the back and forth with many of you as you have in earnest worked to complete this book. And I will be sharing them with our staff and helping to push them out to those students that you are paired up with. So I want to wish you all a safe and healthy and fulfilling summer. I want you to know how much you will be missed. You have been one of the best 8th grade classes I have ever had. Estoy hablando, diciendo la verdad. I am telling the truth. I am serious. I will miss you all so very much. I wish you the best in 9th grade, and I want you to know how valued you are here at Highland and how much you mean to our Highland Park community and every single one of you. Also, the one thing I can give as Senora Jones, Linda Jones, I hope, is the gift of Spanish. It is critical in today's age to be reaching out and listening to others. Being able to do this with our Spanish-speaking community members is a privilege for us, and it is also our duty. We must continue to strive to understand one another better, and by learning a language, it helps bridge that gap. I hope that you continue in your studies to do so. It is what we need. Multilingualism in the United States is a sign of growth, hope, and understanding. So thank you for beginning your journey of Spanish with me, and I wish you the best down the road. And finally, there's a beautiful reggae song that I thought you might be interested in listening to. It comes from both Spain and Guinea Equatorial, so it comes from Europe and Africa. And I would like to share this with you. Contra el racismo, no a la discriminación, estamos intentando mantener la unión. So it has rhyme in Spanish. It doesn't when you translate it back into English. Against racism, no to discrimination. We are trying to maintain unity. This is your final post. Choose one of the questions or both. What is one thing that you enjoyed about this year in Spanish class? And as you work to become proficient in Spanish, in what ways do you see yourself using Spanish in the future? Okay. Adios. Gracias. Adios.